Hello there. I am Thamizharasu, your trusted business coach, helping business owners achieve their goals faster than they ever thought possible. Today, we will delve into the realm of digital twin technology, revealing its potential in optimizing processes, predicting outcomes, and enabling real-time decision making. We'll also delve into how it's shaping the future of sectors such as manufacturing, healthcare, urban, and more. Let's get started.
1. Understanding the concept of digital twin technology. Digital twin technology is a revolutionary approach that creates a virtual replica of physical objects, processes, or systems. This enables real-time monitoring, simulation, and optimization, paving the way for significant improvements in productivity and efficiency. 2. The role and importance of digital twin technology in Industry 4.0. In the era of Industry 4.0, digital twin technology plays a crucial role. It aids in predictive maintenance, reduces downtime, and helps in product development, among other benefits. This technology is indeed a game changer for industries. 3. How digital twin technology works, a detailed explanation. The functioning of digital twin technology is fascinating. It involves creating a virtual model, collecting real-time data, and then analyzing this data to optimize performance. The result? A more informed decision-making process. 4. The evolution and development of digital twin technology. The journey of digital twin technology has been an exciting one. From its initial stages of development to its current sophisticated form, it has seen significant growth and evolution. 5. Examining the key components of digital twin technology. At its core, digital twin technology consists of three main components: the physical item, its digital twin, and the data that connects the two. Understanding these components is key to leveraging this technology effectively. 6. Applications and use cases of digital twin technology in various industries. Whether it's manufacturing, healthcare, or aviation, the applications of digital twin technology are vast. Its ability to improve efficiency and productivity makes it an attractive option for many industries. 7. Benefits and advantages of implementing digital twin technology. The adoption of digital twin technology brings numerous benefits like reduced operational costs, improved efficiency, and enhanced product quality. It's time to embrace this tech revolution. 8. Challenges and limitations of digital twin technology. While digital twin technology has its advantages, it also comes with certain challenges like data security issues and high implementation costs. It's crucial to understand and navigate these hurdles effectively for successful implementation. 9. Future trends and predictions in digital twin technology. The future of digital twin technology is promising. With advancements like AI integration and wider industry adoption, this technology is set to revolutionize the way we work. 10. Case studies, success stories of digital twin technology implementation. There are numerous success stories of companies leveraging digital twin technology to their advantage. Let's delve into a few of these success stories to understand the practical applications and benefits of this advanced technology. Siemens, enhancing product design and manufacturing processes. DHL, improving warehouse operations. NASA, enabling space exploration. These case studies offer valuable insights and inspire others to follow suit. In conclusion, digital twin technology is a revolutionary development that is reshaping various industries. It offers substantial benefits such as increased efficiency, cost reduction, improved productivity, predictive maintenance, and enhanced decision-making processes. If you found this video insightful, do consider subscribing for more such content.